what we're trying to communicate to you and out to the world is we are backsliding. We are on the wrong track.
Nearly every corner of the world is losing ground in the fight against measles, according to a new report from the World Health Organization.
We have a worrying trend that all regions are experiencing an increase in measles, except for the region of the Americas, which has seen a small decline.
The UN Health Agency says more than 360,000 cases have been reported around the globe this year. That's the highest number in more than a decade. And that includes nearly 3 times as many cases reported between this January and July, compared to the same period in 2018. The biggest breakouts are in the Congo, Madagascar, and Ukraine.
We have countries which have low vaccination coverage, which is contributing to the outbreaks of measles. But we also are seeing countries that have very high measles vaccination coverage, and yet outbreaks are happening.
The WHO says weak health systems and a lack of vaccines in some areas hold some of the blame.
We do see misinformation as an increasing threat.
As public health officials confront global outbreaks of measles, social media sites are now at the forefront of the effort to fight ideas that are as contagious and dangerous as the disease. In the wake of its report, the WHO is applauding Pinterest for taking steps to beat back the anti-vaccination movement with a new search feature. The company says in a statement, this new search experience only shows content from leading public health institutions. We know we aren't medical experts, which is why we're working with professionals to inspire pinners with reliable information about health.
It is very difficult for parents to distinguish the validity of information that they're getting.
A recent global study found trust in vaccines is the highest in poorer countries, but weaker in wealthier ones, where skepticism has allowed outbreaks of preventable diseases, like measles, to persist and put lives at risk.